your plan is to travel abroad via sponsorship, come closer. Let me give you this one for free. So if you are planning to travel abroad, let's say UK, United States, Canada, Australia, you can name them, right? So your plan is to travel via sponsorship to go and start a new life. You need to watch this video. In this video, I'm going to show you where you can actually see sponsorship job abroad from any country. So in order for you to actually do that, first you need to hit the subscribe button and like this video if you haven't subscribed to this channel yet. So the first step you need to take is to go to your Play Store or App Store depending on your device. Just go to your Play Store, App Store like this, click on the search button and search for Global Ready. Go ahead and search for Global Ready like this and you'll be able to see all of this. Go ahead and click on this first one right here. You can see it. Then go ahead and install it on your device. You are seeing the option of open right here. This is because I've actually installed it on my device. So you need to go ahead and click on open like this in order to open the app. So once you open it, this is what the app is actually going to appear as. So you need to click on start your journey. So right here, you need to go ahead and create an account, maybe with your Gmail. So once you create an account using your Gmail like this, it is actually going to open. Now you now have an account. This is your profile and this is the home page. So looking right here, you can see where it says work abroad. If you click on that like this, you'd be able to see choose your path. So looking right here, you can see browse job. You can see get job ready. So let's go ahead and click on explore on this browse job like this. So right here, you are going to be able to see country. You can see United Kingdom right here. If you click on that, you'll be able to see several other countries. So let's say you want to see a sponsorship job on Canada. You can go ahead and select Canada like this and you'll be able to see the available sponsorship job on this country. Looking right here, you can see them. You can see them right here. You can click on remote and you'll be able to see the one that are remote. You can click on sponsorship and you'll be able to see sponsorship right here. You can see sponsorship. You can see that right here and the specific location that you can find them. Looking right here as well, you can see global. You can click on global. Now if you go ahead and click on sponsorship like this, you'll be able to see all the sponsorship job. If you click on country like this and change it to, let's say, Australia, you'd be able to see all the sponsorship job that are on Australia as well. So this is how simple it is for you to see sponsorship job abroad. Hope you found this guide helpful, and for more tips and tutorials like this, hit the like button, subscribe for more. You can ask Daniel any question in the comment section. I'll be there.